Hi class, here is a short video to explain to you how to create an MLA style report with a Works Cited page. First step, find your Google Drive. A good way to find it if you're already in your email is to just come over here and open up Drive. You can also type Google Drive into the search bar of any browser window and it will find it for you. Then you just log in with your account. You have both your MySBCHS account and you also have your DOE account, which you can change the password. The MySBCHS one, you have to call in and we'll change it for you, but the other one you can change yourself. So use either Drive and then just go to New, come down to Google Docs, over to the arrow, and you want to come to From a Template. So the template is just sort of like a fill in the blank, and they have lots of choices, but the one we're going to use today is this report MLA. Make sure it says MLA and not APA. That's for other subject areas. English classes use MLA. So we're going to teach you that one. And this is a format you'll need to use in college. So lucky you, this format didn't exist when I was there. So the first thing you'll do is just, type your actual name. And then where it says professor name, that's my name, Sydney King. And then the subject name is this is English A. And in South Brooklyn, we just do English A, B, and C. So English A covers your first 4 English credits, your freshman, sophomore year. So you might take this class again if you need a lot of credits. I change the curriculum every trimester, so you never have to repeat the exact same lesson twice. All right. Today is the 12th of November, so I will change that. And it is 2020, the year of remote learning. So the title of your report can be your, just the assignment name, or it could be a clever title of your choice. The key thing to remember is that titles should have capital letters for each of the big words. So not of, but any word that's longer than longer than like of or the or and, clever title of your choice. So all this is Latin. You're going to replace it with your own words. Depending on the assignment, it will be a research paper, an informational essay, an argumentative essay. It could be the script to a podcast. Whatever the assignment is, you'll fill it with these words. And now we're going to move on to the important part of the works cited. This comes at the end of whatever you write. Write your work here. The works cited is here, and we're going to use this wonderful tool, EasyBib, that they put right here for you. So click Use. All right, so already you've done some research and you've collected your URLs, or maybe you just have them open in other browser tabs. The URL is this thing up here on the browser window. It's the address. It helps the internet find where you are. And so you're going to Command C to cut. Make sure it's on website, okay? And then you're going to Command V to paste, and you're going to search. And I come up with, here's exactly the article. They're going to now format it for me with all the right punctuation. Look at that, it's perfect. And I add it to my bibliography. And all of a sudden, that Latin goes away, and now here. Now I can do the same thing again with a different source. I also have this article. And I put it over here, and I search, and that's the one. And I'm going to add it to my bibliography. Right? And now you have 2 choices for submitting this. You can share your work with me at either of my email addresses, sydneyking@mysbch.org or sking4@schools.nyc.gov, and then press send. Or if you prefer to upload it directly into iLearn yourself, you wanted to make sure it doesn't get lost, you can download it into any of these formats. PDF or Microsoft Word, depending on what you have, would be the best. And then when you come over to your work in iLearn, you can upload the document that you've now created and download it onto your device. You can now upload it directly into the assignment, which will be, you go to Content. So this video works for anybody up until this point. Now I'm just talking specifically about this 3rd marking period of the first trimester. So you can just come open this up and now you can upload that file that you just downloaded, right? So if you want to make sure it goes directly into iLearn, there's no way for it to get lost, this is the way to go. If that's too confusing and too many steps, or your computer isn't strong enough to do all that downloading, then just share it with me. Make sure you have a works cited page of at least two, probably three or four sources that go with your project. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much.